You guys are following me everywhere, huh? Well, welcome to our newest Realty Empire listing. We are at 28 Potter Road, Clifton, New Jersey. We are a colonial style custom home built just 3 years ago. We have over 3,000 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. You guys are gonna love it. Let's go take a look. Thank you everyone for taking this incredible video walkthrough. If you have any questions, if you want to schedule a private showing, here is my contact info, cell phone, email, DM, do what you gotta do. This isn't gonna last more than a week. I'll see you in the next one.